Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to see and discuss about few energizing drinks which we can prepare in our house even in the early morning directly from our kitchen garden, home garden. So this is one among that one. I believe all of you know about this plant. This is known as Clitoria ternacea. So I have collected few flowers from the plant. In Tamil we call it as Sanguppu. So I have harvested this one and I am going to prepare the drink from this. This Clitoria belongs to the legume family, that is Fabaceae, and it has many medicinal properties and health benefits. Now after preparing the energizing drink, we will discuss about the health benefits, nutrition factor, and the medicinal properties of this plant. Actually this Clitoria, it produces different colors of flowers. So white, yellow, purple, and they produce more than one world of petals. So there are different varieties available in this one, but this is the traditional country one which is used popularly by many traditional healers. I have cleaned and washed the collected flowers. So now this flower I am going to put in the tumbler or the container which we are going to use for drinking. Here in this preparation we need not boil the flower. So instead of that we will put boiling water inside this container which has the flowers. So I have put a few flowers inside this glass tumbler, and I have kept water for boiling. So the boiled water we have to add inside this glass container, and we have to wait for few minutes so that the nutrients and extracts from the flower will get dissolved in the water. So now we can see the bluish color of that flower is getting and mixed up with the water in the tumbler. So now the drink is ready. So since the flower is very delicate, we need not boil it on the stove. Simply we can add the boiled water and just keep it closed or as such for few minutes. So now the whole water has turned into bluish in color. It shows that all the nutrients have got extracted. Now just remove the flowers. So with this water we have to add 1 spoonful of honey. So now it is dark blue in color. After adding the honey, the color of the water will change. So some people even they wish to add lemon juice in order to increase the deliciousness. Now just I have added only honey. I did not add any other thing. So 1 spoonful of honey I am mixing with this extract. So while mixing it up, we can see the decoloration of the water, the extract. So the bluish color has turned into little more dark, that is dark gray in color. Now the color has changed. Now the drink is ready for drinking. So come on friends, let us taste and enjoy the drink. So instantly we will get energy immediately after drinking this one. So you also try in your house, enjoy the drink. This Clitoria is otherwise known as butterfly pea, blue pea vine or pigeon wings. In Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand, these blue color Clitoria flowers are used as natural food coloring, and throughout the world it is used as a herbal medicine. In most of the Asian countries, these flowers are used as a home remedy, as a diuretic. For digestive problem also, it is recommended by the elders about this plant. Consumption of these flowers boosts the health of our brain. Many research reports have indicated that regular administration of this blue color Clitoria extract boosts the level of acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is essential for our brain health. So it is believed that this is a possible medication to treat dementia, and it is a very good home remedy for headache. It acts as a very good antidepressant, and it is believed that it is a very good medicine for asthma. This Clitoria tenacia contains uh, some metabolites which are great to improve the function of our nervous system, and it is a very good solution to irregular period in case of women. One of the important health benefit of this plant is that it has the ability to control the absorption of blood sugar, so it could help in controlling the blood sugar level in diabetic patients, and it reduces the risk of cardiovascular problems such as heart attack, blood pressure and cholesterol. In case of some indigenous medications, this plant is recommended by the practitioners as a remedy for anxiety and depression, and it is told that it is a very good medicine for ulcer, that means the peptic ulcer. The flavonoids which are present in this Clitoria flower especially, it gives a soothing effect on our stomach. A palmitic acid compound which is present in Clitoria has antioxidant properties, and it also antidepressant property, and it also has anticonvulsant properties. Some research reports say that this blue ternacia, it contain antioxidant, namely proanthocyanin, which has the capacity to increase blood flow in the optic nerves, so that our eyesight is maintained, and it helps to prevent glaucoma and other eye related problems. And other bioflavonoid which is known as anthocyanin is also present in this one, and it promotes the healthy complexion uh, of our skin, and it prevents baldness, that means it promotes the hair growth. This plant has a nootropic substance which promotes the alertness and cognitive capabilities of a person, and also it has antipyretic activity, so that it is recommended for fever. Since it has analgesic and anesthetic properties, it is recommended in case of inflammation to reduce that, and even it reduces the physical pain, so that it is used as an organic painkiller. It is an effective expectorant, so that it is enabling the lungs to expel phlegm and other harmful and irritating substances which are present in the lungs. This blue Clitoria tenacia is an effective aphrodisiac, and it is used as a remedy for infertility, menstrual cramps and vaginal discharge. Recent studies proves that it has anti-aging properties, so that it is believed that the flower can slow down aging, and it can prevent HIV and fight certain types of cancers, especially lungs, stomach and skin cancers. In case of traditional Thai medicine, this is recommended to treat male pattern baldness as well as premature graying. The antioxidants which is present in this plant stimulates the synthesis of collagen and elastin. In turn, it rejuvenates the skin and lessen the wrinkles and other signs of aging. These blue Clitoria flowers are rich in magnesium, potassium, calcium, zinc, manganese, iron and sodium, and it is rich in vitamins and minerals. In general, it is full of antioxidants. In short, we can say about this flower that they have all these properties, namely antioxidant, aphrodisiac, nootropic, diuretic, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, anti-anxiety, anti-asthmatic, anti-HIV, anti-cancer, anti-tumor, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, antipyretic, and anti-convulsant. So it has different kinds of health benefits providing to us. Coming to the other benefits of this plant, in Philippines, the young immature parts of this plant are used as a vegetable. Another important usage of this plant is in ecology part, that it is used as a cover crop in coconut and rubber plantations in order to conserve water as well as soil. In India, this flower is popularly known as Abarajita in many Indian languages, and in southern part of India it is known as Shanku Pushpam, Shangupu, Kakanam, like that. By different name it is known. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.